Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you are new, I'd like to say hi, hello, my name is Stephanie. Welcome to the channel. And if you're returning, thank you so very much for coming back. I do so very much appreciate and love you. So in today's video, I wanted to pop up the Macy's Beauty Box for the month of April. That's right. It showed up this morning. So yeah. If you want to see what's in the April 2024 Macy's Beauty Box, we haven't done this one in a while, guys, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay, guys, that's right. We do have the Macy's Beauty Box for the month of April. Now, first, I just want to say, for all the newcomers, this is not my normal style video. No. I usually am on camera or I'll film outside. However, this did show today, and your girl is editing, or at least trying to finish up the editing of putting all three of the ice cream beauty boxes together, and it's proving a little harder than I thought. Just give me a little bit. I'm hoping to get it up tomorrow. This showed up this morning, so I figured, hey, I'm not dressed. I'm not coming on camera, but at the very least, I can unbox it on my counter. That's right. Those are my brushes that have to be washed. I figured, oh, let me go ahead and lay a towel out and we'll go through the products. I'm excited. I have not opened one of these in quite a while now. I do have 3 or 4 of them, or maybe even 5 sitting around that we haven't got to, but we will. Before I get into this, I do want to say, if you are new here, this is a beauty channel where we do things in kind of a real life way. Like I'm sitting at my counter in my kitchen unboxing this, but what I try to convey is I'm not a perfect person. You don't have to be perfect either. If you like anything to do with beauty, but in a very positive and fun type of way, at the end of the day, learning and having a good time, I think that's what the beauty industry should be about. If any of that strikes a chord with you, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to have you. And to everyone, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. That always helps everything out. And your bell. Yes, that's very important. You want to know when I'm uploading. Now, I do have a series going on right now. It's coming to an end in about 2 weeks or so, give or take. It's a Christmas After Christmas series. And in every video, there is a giveaway. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, it's kind of advent calendars and Christmas related stuff that I didn't get up after Christmas. I did go through it, guys, just to see if I needed to bring anything over here with me, and we are good to go. So gone are the days that we get our little pamphlet explaining about the products. Now you have a QR scan, which I'm going to go ahead and scan, and you also have a $10 off your next 40+ beauty purchase. The Macy's Beauty Box comes wrapped in this pink paper. I do recycle this, and we're going to go through the products one by one. Pardon the light, guys, but anywhere I stood in the kitchen, there was a shadow over top of it, except for here. So yes, we are doing this on the counter with the range light from my stove. Like I said, not normal style video, but I wanted to get this up while I finish editing the Ice Cream Beauty. And if you don't know and you're not aware of about that, I do have a monthly Ice Cream Beauty Box subscription giveaway where you can win your own subscription. And that is what I'm currently working on editing, trying to put 3 months together, so there will be 3 opportunities to win in that video. Stay tuned if you haven't seen it already. I don't know. I'm hoping this will go up right away. The first thing is from Tony Moly, which I do like this brand. I was just talking about it on my last video for the Christmas After Christmas series. I found a really good cleansing balm and cleansing water that goes with it, the Peach Punch, but I do like Tony Moly. So this is the sheet mask, or they call it mask sheet, which is a little bit backwards, but okay. It is the I'm Rose mask sheet. There you go. This mask is infused with rose extract that will reduce redness and brighten the skin's appearance for glowing and dewy skin. Girl loves her masks. Even though it's one, it is full size. I'm happy to see that. And then the second item we have in here is a travel size, mini size. It is from Lancome, and it is, you guessed it, can your girl hold on to it? No, obviously. This is the Idoli Lash Lifting Volumizing Mascara. It is in the shade black. I'm not going to open this one because I do have one already going. I just love mini sizes so that you can try them out and you don't waste a full size. Now let me grab mine. Forgive me if I'm shaking the camera. So here it is here, guys. Let me open it up and show you the wand, okay? You see those little tiny spikes? Oh my gosh, they're so tiny. There you go. Those little teeny tiny ones really grip your lashes. I do like this mascara very much. And then the third item we have is this right here. This is from Nude Sticks, guys. It's in the shade Magenta Magic, and I'm going to go ahead and read about it. It says, the Nudies Matte Glow and Core All Over Face Blush Color is an innovative makeup stick made with an outer blush and an inner glow cream core. Okay, and I will show you that. Hold on. That is the Glow Core right there. I did swatch this once just to see the texture. It's very dewy. It's a kind of like a balmy texture at first. Now, it's got a little bit of a glow, but that middle piece does give it the glow. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch it and I'll show you. So there you have it, guys. I'm just trying to show you like the pigmentation on it. My camera's being a butthead. But that's just one swipe past. So it is pigmented. Let me grab a brush really quick and see if I can't just blend this out. I can't obviously do this on camera. Hang on one second. It's not as pigmented as like first appearances. What I would do, guys, is I probably like tap the brush on it. That way I wouldn't like interrupt my makeup or whatever, but it does sheer out. You can use your fingers to sheer it out, what have you. It does have like a balmy texture to it, but it does dry down. I tried it before. Over here, I'm not going to open it, guys, because like I said, I do have one somewhere. I just can't find it at the moment. There's a picture of before and after, or so they say, and there is the wand. You see how that is? Now, I kind of like that. There's a close-up of the wand. It has these little plastic ripples. Kind of reminds me of the Thrive a little bit. Here's a little tip, artist tip. Customize from natural to next level. Keep stacking for limitless volume and length. No clumps included. So what they claim for this mascara is that you can put multiple layers and it won't clump. I've not had to do that. I've used this on top of other things. I don't believe I've ever used it like, 6 or 7 layers or whatever. Does anybody do 6 or 7 layers? I don't have enough lashes for that. So I'm happy to see MAC in there. And again, I like travel size mascaras because I'm very picky about my mascaras. And I would rather try one of these than go through a full size and waste it, All right, so the next product is, I wanted to try this for the longest. This is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Balm Cushion Comfort Complex for smoother, plumper looking lips. The 10 plus antioxidant rich fruits in Nourish. Click and tint. Apply one swipe as treatment and layer for coverage. I'm gonna hold it up here, guys. When I first put this on, I didn't know you only had to click it once, and yeah, it wouldn't go back down. So it's a big mess, but it's fine. I can still use it. Well, there you have it. That is one swatch across, and that is what it looks like there. It's very, very shiny. And it feels very good on the lips, I will say. This is great to put it in your purse and have it, just have it sitting around. I think that's awesome. So the next item I am super excited about. It's the little things in life that make me happy. I can't take it. This right here, I was literally going to purchase some of these little pops, and I was looking. I was like, well, do I get them on Shein? Where can I get them from? And then here they come, so I'm so excited. Let me go ahead and show you. This I'm very, very happy for. They feel like they're very good quality, although I'm not an expert at puffs. I only have one that we got in Ipsy. But yeah, I'm happy. We don't just get one, we get 2. Oh my gosh. So I'm really excited because your girl has been starting to powder like in my T-zone because, oh my gosh, where's the oil coming from? I have no idea. But at the end of the night when I film, I'm getting a little tiny shiny there. So yeah, it was in this little thing right here, okay? And it has 2 clips. Now, are they cute? Absolutely. I will definitely use these when I'm putting like my makeup on camera or something. You will see these pop up, I'm sure. And the last thing in here, and I am excited for this as well, is the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Tiger Lily. Okay, this I believe is a new launch or one of their latest ones anyway. And I did spray this. It's just a little sample, guys, but I'm happy to try it because I do have a couple of the Victor and Rolfs and I kind of do like them. They're on the sweeter side for me, but I always like to have variety in my collection when it comes to perfume so that whatever given day I feel like putting on, I have it, I'm assuming that these are the top, middle, and bottom notes. I'm not sure. But it says Tiger Lily Accord, Coconut Milk Accord, and Addictive Mango Accord. Now, I will tell you, I don't smell the coconut in this all that much, and I'm kind of happy about that. Coconut, I mean, it's fine, but I don't know. It's kind of like the rose. I kind of get sick of it after a little bit. I want to say it does die down, but it's still there. Like, you can still smell it after it's been on a while. But when it first comes out, I would be very careful. I would say build. Wait a little while and see if that is the strength you want. And you can always add more, but you can't always take away a scent. You know what I mean? It is very, very sweet. Let me look on the website because your girl's terrible at describing scents. I really, really am. Like, oh my gosh, it's terrible. It says the newest Flower Bomb fragrance is a delicious solar fragrance for women that transports you to tropical summer oasis. It definitely has a summer smell to it, that's for sure. The woman's perfume opens with an inviting solar burst of refreshing coconut milk. Again, I don't smell that a ton. It says, at the heart lies the exotic tiger lily flower. Now, that's where I smell the flower. And again, I don't know too much about tiger lily, so I don't know what they're supposed to smell like. But I can definitely smell like a floral scent. And then it says, which introduces a wild facet to the fragrance, which, like, I do believe that's true. Very, very potent right off the bat, you know. It's very odd. When you spray it, you can smell something, like whatever it is you're smelling, you smell that. And then as it dissipates, the other notes are introduced to it, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm very terrible at this. Juicy mango fruit envelops the warm benzoin base for a tropical sensuality. Tiger lily is the perfect scent for the wild and fierce woman who fully embraces her sensual femininity. I will say that it is an extremely, extremely feminine scent. A little on the sweet side for me, but it's always good to have different fragrances, and I don't dislike it, so that's good. So I know I said this was the last thing in the box. Oops, my mistake. This is the last thing. This is from Yves Saint Laurent, and I do believe it's a primer. I will go ahead and read about it. All it is a 24-hour priming moisturizer with shea butter and vegetal glycerin to achieve a glowy skin look with or without makeup. Okay, a lightweight facial priming moisturizer infused with light reflecting pearls and potent illuminating rosette extract to leave skin nourished with a radiant finish. And then, of course, how to use it. Wear this illuminating primer moisturizer alone on bare skin as your daily moisturizer, or apply it in any step of your skincare routine. So there you go, guys. That truly is the entire Macy's Beauty Box for the month of April 2024. What do you think about it? Is it something you would have liked to have gotten? Did you get it? Do you get the Macy's Beauty Box? Give me all the details down below in the comment section. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you have not yet subscribed, I would love to have you, like I said. And also, please don't forget to rate the video thumbs up. Please remember, I do have that series with 7 giveaways going on, the Christmas After Christmas series. Each video has a giveaway. And they are open international, so if you're not from the U.S., this is one you can definitely get into. I am working feverishly. I'm off tomorrow, but I have a bunch of running to do. That's why I'm trying to get that editing done. It's proving a little harder than I thought, but, you know, no worries. I don't know which one's going to go up first, either this one or that one, but either way, please try and get into that if you can. That's where you can win your own subscription, and I do that on a monthly basis. The Christmas After Christmas is just something special that I was doing. Kind of got backed up a little bit, but that is why it's Christmas After Christmas. Again, thank you for hanging out with me, and I will say, like I always say, self-awareness check-ins. Please take a daily stock of how things are going. How are you feeling? Are you doing good? Is there something bother you? And if you can recognize it, even if you can't, you just know something's there, please talk about it with either a loved one, a counselor, maybe a friend. And if you don't have anyone to talk to, please message me. I'm always available, and I will listen, okay? And in this crazy mixed up world, to all my loved ones all across the globe, stay safe, guys. Until the next one, see ya.